What if you could earn passive income every single day without any prior experience, coding skills, or expensive mining hardware? That's exactly what GoMining promises, and yes, it sounds almost too good to be true, so let's break it down. GoMining is a cloud mining platform that lets you earn daily Bitcoin rewards by owning something called a GoMiner NFT. Each of these NFTs is backed by real-world computing power, and the more you own, the higher your daily income. You don't need to worry about setting up noisy mining rigs or paying insane electricity bills. GoMining handles everything behind the scenes. All you do is invest once and watch your earnings come in automatically, paid in Bitcoin. But is it legit? GoMining has actually been around for a few years, and they claim to partner with data centers across the world. Their model is transparent. You can see your mining power, your earnings, and even upgrade your NFT to increase profitability. The app is super beginner friendly. You simply register, buy a mining NFT, and start earning daily. You can even use a mobile wallet to withdraw your earnings whenever you want. Now, let's talk numbers. Your daily income depends on the NFT's hash rate and the current Bitcoin price. So yes, it's affected by market volatility. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a passive, long-term way to build crypto income over time. So is GoMining worth it in 2025? If you believe in the future of Bitcoin and you want an easy way to get exposure without the technical hassle, then yes. If you're tired of risky trading or holding tokens that go to zero, this gives you steady, trackable Bitcoin earnings backed by real infrastructure. Just remember, it's still an investment. Always start small, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But for those who want daily, hands-free Bitcoin income, GoMining is one of the most accessible platforms out there right now.